These are the Deepstax trays as well as the Deepstax Inserts from Spellbinders. The Deepstax trays come with two different trays. These are the same dimensions-ish as the large craft stacks. That is the small craft stacks first. Then we have the large one, but you can see that the deep stacks are a lot deeper than the craft stacks. There are three different insert trays that fit into the deep stacks. These are the Betterpress ink trays. They come with two inserts in a package, and they fit 18 Betterpress inks on each one of those trays. Then there are the ink cube trays, perfect for those little Hero Arts ink cubes. Those once again come with two trays in the package, and you can fit 18 inks on the tray, and both of those trays will fit into the deep stacks when they're filled. The last insert is for the Betterpress ink refills. Now these will fit 16 into one tray, but you can only fit one of those trays in the deep stacks. Now it will fit other bottles that are similar in shape to the Betterpress inks, like Stickles. It'll fit the Oxide reinkers or like archival reinkers as well. So I just took my Hero Arts ink cubes, filled in the cube trays, put them into the deep stacks. Again, two layers will fit into that. These are how my Betterpress inks were stored before these deep stacks. You can see that it was not very good organization. I had a few of those other storage trays, but you can't fit as many in there. So I went and took my inks and put them on those Betterpress reinserts, and I can fit two of those in one of the deep stacks. Then I took my Betterpress reinkers, and again, you can fit only one of those trays in the deep stacks. I opted to use this deep stacks for the Betterpress ink pads instead and have that refill ink tray on its own. I love this storage. I love these trays. Anyways, I use my craft stacks all the time, so it's nice to have a larger version, perfect for storing these ink cubes, the Betterpress inks, as well as the Betterpress refills, and they're nice and sturdy.